In the age of rapid technology advancement, there's a growing apprehension about the role of artificial intelligence in education. Some fear that AI will replace teachers, rendering our profession obsolete. But I'm here to tell you today that that fear is unfounded. For AI can never replace the irreplaceable. The human touch, the empathy, the profound impact that only a dedicated teacher can provide. Yes, AI can analyze data, automate tasks, and provide personal learning experiences. It can even grade papers and answer factual questions with remarkable accuracy. But what AI lacks, and will always lack, is the ability to connect on a human level, to understand the unique needs and emotions of each student, and to inspire, motivate, and empower them to reach their fullest potential. Think about it. Can AI console a student who is struggling with personal issues? Can it celebrate their successes, cheer them on during challenging times, or instill in them the confidence to pursue their dreams? Can it adapt its teaching approach based on subtle cues and nonverbal communication? The answer, my friends, is a resounding no. As teachers, we are not just suppliers of knowledge. We are mentors, role models, and guides on the journey of this lifelong learning. We possess an innate ability to inspire curiosity, ignite passion, and foster critical thinking skills that extend far beyond the confines of a curriculum. And we understand that education is not just about relaying information. It's about nurturing the whole child. It's about instilling values, cultivating resilience, and teaching empathy and compassion. Qualities that cannot be replicated by even the most advanced algorithms. So, my fellow educators, let us embrace technology as a powerful tool to enhance our teaching practice, but let us never forget that our greatest strength lies in our own humanity. Let us continue to innovate, to collaborate, and to adapt to the changing needs of our students and society. But above all, let us never doubt the invaluable impact that we, as teachers, have on the lives of our students. William Arthur Ward has been quoted saying, "The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires." Let us aspire to be great teachers, for in our hands lies the power to shape the future and inspire generations to come. AI cannot replace any one of you. You are irreplaceable.